Okay, welcome to the video on how to use your app. So the app will allow you to access programs and record information, as well as access other bits and pieces. So you first will log in. You'll get your login details sent through to you. You'll be given this main page. If there's anything on your schedule to do, you will see it here. You can access the schedule directly by clicking on schedule. And again, if there's anything scheduled in for you, you will see it in your app. You can switch between day and week view. Clicking on programs, that will take you to any of your designated programs that you have been assigned. This could be the weekly ones. This could be something you've been assigned as an extra on top to achieve your goal. There also will be some other programs and things that you will find that you can access and use when required, or your coach may even assign to you if they think it's going to benefit you. So you can see that you can flick through any of the programs. You can see the exercises. If you tap on the actual image, that will play a video if there's a video attached to show you how to demo the exercise. Record sets, weights, reps, okay, just by tapping on them, entering the details in. You can put some notes in if needs be. Okay, so that's meant to be, could go heavier. But that's both for yourself and for your coach, so that those notes are accessible for anybody. You can use a stopwatch feature if required. If you've got something that needs timing, or you want to use intervals or anything, you can do this all from the app itself. Okay, it's all available there for you. Easy to switch between. Okay, on the screen, just pressing the play will start that running. You can switch to a scrollable view that way, rather than just having to swipe across. You've also got a coaching section. Now, a lot of the things that are in the coaching section you might find on the members website. But we can also add other information in there for you, so you can access it through the app. Calorie calculator, for example, and stuff like that. The tracking section, this will depend on your program and your goals. So you will find that your food diary is here if required. You will also find results to be able to track for specific goals and so on and so forth. But that's a basic overview of the app. Your coach will go through you in more detail.